Meaning of homesteader.
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 Homesteader. A homesteader is a person who settles on and cultivates a piece of land, typically in a rural area. Historically, homesteaders were encouraged by the U.S. government to move westward and claim land under the Homestead Acts of the 19th and early 20th centuries. These acts granted individuals ownership of up to 160 acres of land, provided they lived and worked on it for a period of time. Homesteaders faced many challenges, including harsh living conditions and dangerous work, but their efforts helped shape the landscape and culture of the American West.